Managing people should be simple, not stressful. Made Green HR the smarter way to manage the workforce. With key features, user-friendly all-in-one HR platform, automated HR operations, centralized employee records, built-in compliance support, mobile self-services for employees, boost efficiency and employer branding, and can be customized easily as per the needs. Let's begin right from where every HR journey starts. Onboarding. Generate offer letter in one click, upload and store all documents securely, no paperwork, no delays. Employee can mark their attendance, punch in or punch out via mobile app with geotagging for real-time accuracy. Integrate with API-enabled biometric devices. All attendance and leave approval happen digitally for complete transparency. Automate salary process, tax calculation and TDS with zero error. Run a dry payroll before final processing to verify data and salary projection for the month. Employee can download payslip anytime through self-service, mobile app or web platform. Track employee performance with measurable KPIs and goal settings. Manage expenses digitally from submission to approval with full visibility and hierarchy-based workflow. You can also monitor your field employees with GPS tracking and geotagging options. Find all documents of an employee safely in DocHold. Accessible anytime. Auto-generate compliance report like PF, ESIC and Form 16 instantly. Track IT and non-IT asset from allocation to return, all within the system. Enable seamless exit with digital resignation request, hierarchical clearance and assets handover, ensuring smooth, transparent offboarding. For any query regarding price, scan the QR code providing the contact number.